Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, still good afternoon even if it is raining a little bit. Yeah, there are many people in there. They are having a picnic. The first group that I've shown to you looks like a Filipino family. I don't have backpack today. I leave it in the workplace in the locker. Yeah, so that I can bike in the rain. I wish the rain is a little bit stronger so that I can shower to it. And we're not going to do pull-ups today because yeah, it is so wet in there. Oh, that van, you can see that van. Yeah, it's a traveling van. There's a bed inside and yeah, traveling equipment. Nice. My love, whoa, I found the masterpiece in you, and words the heart is true, and I treasure you, my love. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment. Less people this time. I build my world around you, as you said. Could forget survive and by my side. I finally made a mistake. Oh, traffic already built up. Yeah, the one that is going to the other side, already traffic. Yeah, very rare to see that traffic. We're just going to have a look here in the marina area. And as expected, there's still a lot of people in here. And also in this water playground. Yeah. Also in here, maybe they are family of those people in there. Also on that side, many people. Oh, this ibis. When the world's over. And in here there are many people. They even have a tent. Yeah. Yeah, and in here also there are many people. They even put tent in here. Yeah. And you know, like what I've said to you before, that this area is for snorkel. Many people doing the snorkel in there and scuba diving. I don't want to go far away. We're going back now. We are going home now. Oh, we are going to check if they have fried rice here or something ready to eat. So I got 2 pieces of meat pie, 1 mushroom and 1 plain. And it costs $9. Yeah, usually they have fried rice during weekdays, but they said no, we don't have today, too busy to do that. The lady said in there. There is still the sprinkler of water at the moment, just like that. And you know, in some other place it is flooding, heavy rain. Oh, this dog, they leave it here again. It's now 3:15. We are home, and this is the meat pie that I bought. One is plain and the other one is mushroom. Meat pie is also another common meal, common food here in Australia, similar to fish and chips. This is the one with the mushroom. You see this mushroom? I didn't finish it. We keep it here, maybe I'll eat it again later. It is now 7:30. I didn't able to watch the news today because I was busy in the computer. Yeah, and now I'm hungry. I'm actually now cooking the rice, and I'm going to fry some chicken nuggets. Actually, all of this. But let's try this one. This is another chicken nuggets. This one is home brand. The home brand is this size. And I'm going to steam some of this carrots, peas, and corn. I'll put it directly to the rice. That much. It's a little dark now here. Without lights, it is dark in here. But outside is still like that. So this is the mixed carrots and peas and corn that I just steam here inside the rice. And this is what we have today, tonight. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. It was 2:15 when I signed out in the machine. And you know, these days we are starting our duty at 5:30 in the morning. So I'm usually leaving the house at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock it's still a little bit dark, and at the moment there is a sprinkler of water. Yeah, I thought it's I thought it is heavy rain because when I went for break around 12 o'clock, it was raining. I actually leave my backpack in the locker, and I put my used clothes in my pannier. Oh, during my break time, I received a memo coming from our head office. So basically, it's related to the COVID-19 safety and precautions and tracing, something like that. So basically, whenever we are coming to work and signing out from work, we need to log out from the New South Wales tracing app, something like that. Yeah, that's to make the contact tracing easy. Yeah, that's the rule here in New South Wales. Yeah, the water is very calm. There are some people doing the kayak and fishing. Oh, tonight is the New Year. Yeah, today is December 31, and tonight will be the New Year. So Modi is asking me to go in his house. All of us in the kitchen for the New Year celebration. Yeah, that's the plan tonight. But the problem is I will be working in the breakfast tomorrow, and usually I'm waking up at 4 o'clock, and this is how it is here. Nice. And there's a couple there watching the beauty. We go this side. Say you, say you, doctor, say for always. Something that what you said, coming home late at night, but that's alright. There is no sign of rain here. Looks like it's very dry, you see, but coming from the workplace, it was there is a sprinkler of water. And I see from here that there are many people in there in the beach, and many kids are doing that kind of jumping. now 3:10 and 9 hours more and it is New Year. Happy New Year everyone. Yes, 9 hours more and it is New Year 2021. Here in Australia there will be a fireworks display in Sydney Harbour Bridge, but people are not allowed to go there. Only those with reservation to the restaurant around there are allowed to go to. There will be police and securities to check. Yeah, people are advised to just watch the fireworks in the television.